How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm just going to make a video of a stash ad, and I'm going to do a shout out. But I'd got in the mail. Uh, Finally, I ordered a big order. Well, it's not a real big order, but I ordered a bunch of models from Spot Model out of Spain, and that was back like very early December, and I'm just now getting it. And so I'll show you all those. I'll turn the camera around here in a minute and show you all those models. And first of all, I want to do a shout out. Uh, here last month or so, or 2 months ago, whenever it was, me and Ed from Ed's Attention to Detail, we went to a model show in Fort Smith, and we'd met some modelers down there and everything. Well, one of the guys we met, he has his own channel now. He put a channel up, and he's figure painter. He does like Warhammer and stuff like that. So any of you guys that are interested in following somebody like that, he's a good guy. And the name of his channel is The Frayed Brush, and I will leave a link in the description below. So I want all y'all, please go check him out, give him a sub, and everything, help him out, help him get started. Okay, with that being said, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, loyal subscribers, new subscribers. I just want to thank everybody in the community. There's a lot of talent out there in the community, whether it be model building, whether it be RC, whether it be Hot Wheels, customizing Hot Wheels, whatever you're into, whether it be the figure painting, like the Frayed Brush, Gavin Booth, all these guys, they're just the miniature painter, so many people, Justin, all y'all, and the gaming part of it too, Nick, there's so many different people. I want to thank all y'all. There's a lot of talent out there. So, with that being said, I'm going to shut up and I'll turn around and show you all the models that I've gotten. And thank you. Alright, I guess I'll show you this one first. One of the first models I got. It is really not much box art or nothing. It's a Profil kit. Profil 24. You can see right there, it's a rally car. It's a Sunbeam Talbot. And this is one of those cars. It's got a little bit of everything. Photo etch, it's got engine detail. It's very, very nice. And I'll do an unboxing on that one day. But there it is. That's the first one. The second kit, if I can get it over here, I got the Itaglieri Lancia Delta HF Integral, and this is actually old Protar kit, and they own the molds to it now. So this is the box art, side view, but quick look at what's in it. It's got one door open, hood opens, but it's a curbside kit, but that's all right. I have the resin trans kit for the engine, so when I build this, I'll have an engine in it. And then the next one I got was this Heller Renault R5 Turbo Rally car, and this is a nice kit too. It's got full engine detail, doors open and everything. I'll have to do an unboxing on it sometime for y'all. And then another one I got was this Lancia Delta S4, and it's the 1986 San Remo Rally, and it's the tip-top what do you call that, livery, and it's by Nunu, which this kit's exactly like my other kit. I got the Beesmax kit, which is an Oshima kit, which this is actually an Oshima kit. I don't understand these Japanese people, so many boxes of the same kit, but this is a highly detailed kit. My other one that I have is in the Martini livery, and I have the detail up kit for the other one, which is the photo etched and all the other parts to go with. This one here, I didn't buy that. This one I'll probably just do a box stock build out of it, but highly detailed. And I can do an unboxing if somebody wants, but I think I've already did an unboxing of the other one. Same with this kit right here. I bought me another one of these MGs. It's a Bell kit. It's a MG Metro. And I got the other livery. It's the different race team or whatever. And this one here, I wanted the other kit, so I bought this one. And this one has engine detail. It even comes with plug wires, comes with photo etch parts. This is a very nice kit. Okay. And then, I don't know if I'm going to have room to show this one here or not, but let me back this camera up here. I got the 12 scale Fiat Abarth 695 SS race car. And then I also have the stock version of this kit. And you can also build this two ways. You can build it just a regular Fiat Abarth with different wheels and everything, or you can build this racing version. And so I can do an unboxing on that if anybody wants to see it. And I also got the original version too. And then my son, he bought me all three of these right here. He bought me the orange crate, the apple crate, and the lemon pillar. So I got all three of these. So anytime somebody wants to do a bicycle build off, I got it. But all right, that's everything I got. What's on the bench right now is Cliff's motorcycle build, and all I've gotten done so far is just I had to glue the two halves together of the tank, and I'm sanding and trying to get the mold lines out of it. And I glued this tank together. That's about it. Made the stand for it. Everything else is still in the bags other than the chrome. I've got all the chrome, which is 90% of the kit, and I got it all in the stripper, stripping all that chrome off of it. And for y'all that want to know what the kit is, that don't remember, this is the kit right here I'm building. 1/8 scale Honda road racing kit. It's a 750 CBR 750, whatever Dick Mann's Daytona winner. So this was an actual bike. It's not fictitious. So it's an actual race bike that won. It's a famous bike. This is incorrect. The fender here should be the same color as the bike. These bars don't even belong there. They go like this and like this. The pipe should be black. This is totally incorrect, but when I get done with it, it'll look like the Tamiya kit. It won't be as good as the Tamiya kit, but it'll look like it. All right, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Please check out the frayed brush. The description will be in the bottom. Thank you very much. Bye.